Hello my friends, I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. I'm going to share with you my Caraway take or my Caraway review after having used this for almost a year. I've shared about it before, but I have given all of these pieces plenty of use, so I'm going to give you my honest, as always, feedback on Caraway, how it works, how it's different from other cookware and bakeware that I've used, and my grade from a score of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. Okay, I'm gonna start with the bakeware. I love to bake, and I have many recipes on my blog, Family Savvy. I've got muffins, I've got sweetbreads, I have cakes. And I'm going to tell you, muffins were always one of the things that I hated to make for one reason. I could never muster up the patience to clean a muffin pan from all the baked in, stuck on, burnt on muffin. I'm here to tell you 100% I love making muffins again because the Caraway muffin pan, it is next level. It is next level. I made muffins in these yesterday actually. And I did an Instagram reel. I wish I had it with me, but the muffins, I've already eaten half the muffins, my family has. But I literally show myself, I did not spray anything. I did not oil. I did nothing but pour very thick muffin batter into every one of these, baked it, let it cool for about 30 minutes, and I lifted each muffin. Bottoms were perfect, and there was only a light little, I cleaned this with a napkin. It was just like tiny little breath of just where it cooled after they baked, just a little hair of something. And I just got a paper towel. I cleaned all of that out in about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. And then I gave it a good rinse. Didn't even have to wash it. This is similar to a cast iron skillet. You don't have to wash it every time. Just anything that might remain, just wipe it off. It comes off, no problem. And you don't have to put soap because you're only gonna be baking muffins in this. It's not like you're cooking raw meat or whatever. If you wanna wash it, you can, but I like to just use it, wipe it clean, give it a rinse, dry it, and it's good. So this muffin pan is one of my favorites because now I love making muffins again. I hate muffin cups, papers, but don't have to use them now. This is truly non-stick and it's non-toxic. Caraway is known for its clean, non-toxic cookware. I'm going to tell you that you need more than one of these. This is a 12-cup muffin pan. I do not know of a muffin recipe that only makes 12 muffins. All of mine make 2 dozen muffins. So, and if you're making a quick bread, like if you get a banana bread recipe or a zucchini bread, you're gonna need 2 pans. One 12-cup muffin pan, I believe, is half of a loaf pan. Trust me, I'm gonna order more because I like to make big batch muffins and these are just too good to wait, clean, and then make more. I wanna have several of these. So these are awesome. The best muffin pans I've ever used. And at age 60, cooking as long as I have used everything. I have used everything. Baked on, burnt on, gunk. No longer. So best ever. So I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to stick in the cookware for now. This is a fabulous sheet pan. This too, you do not have to spray, but what I do on this and what probably most of you would do on this are making like sheet pan meals or roasting veggies. When you roast veggies, you're going to toss them in EVOO, avocado oil, and then put them on to roast. They have oil, the food has oil on it, but you do not have to spray. This is so non-stick. It's absolutely wonderful. So I do this. I do a lot of salmon with diced sweet potatoes and some broccoli, make a sheet pan meal. But this is a fabulous sheet pan and I love it. I've had some that warp. That one has never warped. It's very substantial. And you do have handles here, but you always want to use your oven mitts because these are going to get hot because they're in the oven. Back to baking. I bake a lot of sweetbreads. I have a strawberry bread recipe. I'll put all those recipes, links to them below, which is my favorite sweet bread of all time. So I have a strawberry bread recipe. I think I have a peach bread recipe. I'll get my team to look up all my bread recipes and let you have a link. Or you can always just Google Family Savvy bread and it'll pull all of those up. But this loaf pan, again, you do not have to spray it. You don't have to spray it with Pam, Baker's Joy, avocado oil, anything. You just put your batter, bake, and it will release. So must have if you bake and you want non-toxic, true non-stick. This is another thing from Caraway that I absolutely love, and I use this. This is a cast iron, and I have been using cast iron for decades. Lodge is known for being the best cast iron if you want the old-fashioned, the old faithful, the OG, and everyone does need Lodge, but I love having a beautiful cast iron that is also non-stick. With Lodge or with a regular cast iron, you have to season. You can get Lodges now. When you buy a Lodge skillet, it is going to be seasoned. I can't imagine, unless you're like in a thrift store with older ones that you have to keep seasoning. With a true cast iron, you do have to season after you wash it, especially if you have to scrub it and rinse it. You have to add oil, wipe it down with oil. You have to do that with a true cast iron. This is an enamel cast iron, and I want you to look the inside. Look at that sheen. It is seasoned, and this enamel has the Caraway secret sauce, whatever it is that keeps things from sticking. I make my jalapeno cornbread in here. I've made regular cornbread. I've done fruit crisps. It does not stick. And look how beautiful it is. My only negative is I wish they made this in even a bigger size, because I have a jumbo. It's not a jumbo, but I think this is not quite big enough. I could make a smaller version of my Mimi's famous blackberry cobbler. I use a little bit bigger one, but this is fabulous. You can brown chicken thighs or drumsticks or anything with a skin on. You can get it real crispy on the outside in this pan, finish it in the oven, bake it through, and have sort of a oven fried chicken, but you get it all crispy here, and then you put it in the oven. This is just real hardy, so it can go from a gas stove top with oil in it and then to the oven. It's just very, very versatile, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm showing you what I use on the regular. This is just the little skillet, and I use this if I want to make an omelet or eggs, or if I want to cook a piece of fish or two on the stove top. If I want to do scallops, I love doing scallops here. I've got a recipe for those. This is just really good for a stovetop saute where you don't have a ton, or for eggs, and you don't need real tall sides and you don't need too much space. So this is just a good everyday skillet. I would say this is an essential if you're going to give someone, say, a Caraway set, and this is probably in all of their basic sets. This is just an essential skillet. Love it. I've done eggs and eggs and eggs. Never has it stuck. Nothing has ever stuck. And I will say, because I do get asked, has it scratched? And it has not, because I decided at the outset that I was going to use silicone or wood when at all possible. So I don't even know. I'll find out. This is BF. Maybe that's Bobby Flay. If you want to know that you know that you know that it is BPA free and safe from chemicals, Caraway sells these. In fact, I'm going to order some because I've got to order another muffin pan, so I'm going to order some of their cookware utensils. But if you do this, you're not going to get scratches, so I don't have scratches. Another basic, if I need to boil water, melt butter, make any kind of sauce, this is just a good basic, and it has not scratched. I had a Bobby Flay that was from Williams-Sonoma, and it was a Bobby Flay GreenPan, and the first time I used this piece of the GreenPan version, it scratched. So this one has not. I love the lids. The lids are very striking. You can opt to get glass lids. I love to see through and use glass lids, but I think these are so pretty out that I've just used these. So love, love, love. Just a basic saucepan that does not stick. So this one is awesome. And this is what I use. This is like a Dutch oven. I use this very often. I'll pour a package of Trader Joe's frozen, they're pre-cooked, meatballs. Pour them in here. Pour a big jar of Rayo's Arrabbiata, the spicy marinara. Grate some fresh Parmesan. Let it simmer and put it over pasta, and it's divine. Does not scratch. You can boil pasta in this. You can make chili. You can make chicken chili. You can make taco soup. It is a little small for a big batch of soup. You can make anything in here that you would do in any other Dutch oven. You just know that this one will not stick at all. This one is probably the piece I use most often. I probably use this at least twice a week because I brown a lot of meat. This is the perfect size for up to 3 pounds of ground turkey or ground beef. I sometimes will do 2 ground beef with a pound of Italian sausage, but it's perfect for browning, and the sides are so high, the meat's not gonna fall out. Raw ground meat's not gonna fall out. But look, it's fabulous. And when I brown the meat, because that's a lot of meat, I'll put the lid, let it steam, and make sure it gets all cooked from the inside. So I'll put the lid on, break it up, turn it over, and I do that for a few minutes, and then I can finish it with no lid. But the size is perfect for a task that a lot of us do frequently, browning meat. You can also make a skillet meal. You can do a skillet lasagna, or you can do several chicken breasts. You can do pork chops, pasta, skillet meal. This is just a great basic, and I try to use these that have the plastic. These are Williams Sonoma, to just try to keep everything scratch free. I love my blue. They have a beautiful white as well. You just probably have to clean it more. I told you I would give Caraway my rating at the end. And guys, I'm just gonna say, because I've used so many other things that are they fall short of Caraway, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. I'm just going to. And I never plan to go back. I never plan to try any other, because it's just excellent. It's that good, and it's a trusted name. And until there's something that I find out that I don't like about it, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 after having used it and still using it almost on the daily. So there you have it. I have a discount for Caraway. I'll share that below. I appreciate y'all for being here. As always, subscribe if you enjoy my content. I try to bring some sort of helpful information to make your life more savvy. And as always, until next time, be blessed and stay savvy.